Navigating overwhelming debt can be an incredibly stressful experience. When traditional repayment methods seem impossible, many individuals explore debt relief options, and companies like Freedom Debt Relief often come up in the search. While debt relief programs, particularly debt settlement, can offer a path to becoming debt-free, it's crucial to understand their impact on your credit. Specifically, how long does it hurt your credit? As a finance expert, I can tell you unequivocally that debt settlement, while providing significant relief from financial burden, will negatively impact your credit score and remain on your credit report for a considerable period. It's not a quick fix without consequences, and understanding the long-term implications is vital for making an informed decision. Understanding debt settlement and its core impact. Freedom Debt Relief primarily operates as a debt settlement company. This means they negotiate with your creditors on your behalf to pay a lump sum that is less than the full amount you owe. In return, the creditor agrees to forgive the remaining balance. Here's why this process inherently hurts your credit. Defaults and missed payments. Debt settlement companies often advise clients to stop making payments directly to their creditors. Instead, you save money into a special escrow account. This strategy intentionally causes your accounts to become delinquent. Missed payments, especially multiple consecutive ones, are among the most damaging items to your credit score. Payment history accounts for a significant portion, around 35%, of your FICO score. Settled for less than full balance notation. When a debt is settled, it's reported to the credit bureaus as settled for less than the full balance or paid settled, rather than paid in full. This notation signals to future lenders that you did not fulfill your original agreement. From a lender's perspective, this indicates a higher risk. Account closures. Accounts undergoing debt settlement are typically closed by the creditor. Closing accounts, especially older ones in good standing, can negatively impact your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using versus your total available credit, and the average age of your credit accounts, both of which are factors in your credit score. The how long question, a 7-year shadow. The most direct answer to how long debt settlement will hurt your credit is that this settle for less notation will remain on your credit report for up to 7 years. However, the precise starting point for this 7-year clock is critical. From the date of first delinquency. For most debt settlements, the 7-year period begins from the date of the first missed payment that led to the account becoming delinquent and eventually settled. It does not start from the date the debt was actually settled. Example, if you missed your first payment in January 2025 and then Freedom Debt Relief successfully settled the debt in June 2025, the settlement would typically remain on your credit report until January 2032. This means that if your accounts were already severely delinquent before you enrolled in a debt settlement program, a significant portion of that 7-year period may have already passed. However, if you enroll relatively early in the delinquency process, you could be looking at a nearly full 7-year impact. The severity and recovery timeline. The initial drop in your credit score from debt settlement can be significant, potentially by 50 to 100 points or more, depending on your credit profile before the settlement. The more accounts you settle and the higher your initial credit score, the more dramatic the immediate decline. While the debt settlement remains on your report for 7 years, its negative impact on your credit score tends to diminish over time. This is because credit scoring models place more weight on recent credit activity. Here's a realistic timeline for recovery. Initial drop. Immediate and significant when accounts go into default and are eventually marked as settled. Gradual improvement, 1 to 3 years post-settlement as the settled accounts age and you begin to establish new, positive credit behaviors, your score can start to recover. This recovery is contingent upon consistent on-time payments, the most crucial factor. Making all payments on any remaining or new credit accounts on time, every time. Low credit utilization. If you open new credit, like a secure credit card, or have other existing credit lines, keep your credit utilization debt-to-limit ratio as low as possible, ideally below 30%. Avoiding new delinquencies. Any new missed payments will severely hinder your recovery. Significant improvement, 3 to 5 years post-settlement at this point. The settled debt becomes older and your positive payment history begins to carry more weight. You may find it easier to qualify for new credit, though potentially at higher interest rates. Removal: 7 years post first delinquency, the settled account notation will officially fall off your credit report, at which point it will no longer directly impact your score. Is debt settlement worth the credit hit? This is a highly personal question with no universal answer. As a finance expert, I emphasize that debt settlement should be considered a last resort when other options are not viable and you're truly struggling to make minimum payments. Debt settlement might be worth it if you have a significant amount of unsecured debt, e.g., credit cards, personal loans, medical bills. Your credit is already severely damaged by missed payments or collections. You are on the verge of bankruptcy, which has a longer and more severe credit impact. Chapter 7 stays for 10 years. You cannot realistically afford to pay your debts in full. The emotional and financial stress of your debt is overwhelming. Alternatives to consider before debt settlement. Debt Management Plan, DMP, via credit counseling. A nonprofit credit counseling agency can help you create a repayment plan, often with reduced interest rates, and you repay the full amount. This option typically has a much less severe impact on your credit, as accounts are paid as agreed or paid in full rather than settled. However, it often requires closing accounts. Debt Consolidation Loan. If you have good enough credit to qualify, a debt consolidation loan allows you to roll multiple high-interest debts into one loan with a lower interest rate and a single monthly payment. This can actually help your credit if you make consistent on-time payments and reduce your credit utilization. DIY debt negotiation. You can attempt to negotiate with creditors directly, potentially avoiding the fees charged by settlement companies. Rebuilding your credit after debt settlement. Even with a debt settlement on your report, you're not doomed to bad credit forever. Here's how to proactively rebuild. Pay everything on time. This cannot be stressed enough. Be meticulous about paying all your bills, rent, utilities, phone, any remaining debts on time. Get a secured credit card. After a settlement, obtaining a traditional unsecured credit card might be difficult. A secured credit card requires a cash deposit, which acts as your credit limit. Use it responsibly by making small purchases and paying the balance in full every month. Become an authorized user. If a trusted family member with excellent credit is willing, becoming an authorized user on their credit card can help, as their positive payment history may reflect on your report.